Hello, sir. This is William. This is my demonstration for Lab 3. So I have my application open up here and my buttons increment. And I have my image view, which contains the image. So the drawable image that I added called picture.xml. So I copied and pasted the code from the resource in the lab file. And we're just going to test out the code. So I'm going to do this. Close it. Open it. My lab 3 is right here. And it's still going to be saved on what it was before, which was 1. If I try again on 2, on 3, sorry. And do this. I'm supposed to end up with 3. Voila. Thank you.